my SmokinSteves today. Normally on this channel we're cooking up some meat, smoking some meat, cold smoking some cheese, maybe doing some product reviews. But today we're going to be baking a pie. And yeah, we're going to bake that pie on that smoker, that RecTeq Deck Boss 800. Now we're not going to be smoking that pie. That pie is not going to taste like a steak or a pulled pork, or we're not going to be smoking it. We're going to be baking it at 350, and at that temperature you're not getting any smoke off those pellets. And speaking of pellets, I use nothing but Bear Mountain pellets. They're the best out there. They got a lot of different flavors, 20-some flavors. I lost count, but they got a lot of flavors, and it's nice clean smoke, and they don't stink. A lot of those cheap old pellets, so they stink, and it's just not good. But anyway, we're gonna be baking a apple cream pie. On my last video, I did a video on beef ribs, and over here on the stove, back here behind me, there was a pie sitting there cooling, and it was a peach cream pie. And I got a lot of comments on that pie, and people wanting the recipe and whatnot. So we kind of decided to do a video on doing a pie. Now normally that's the wife's territory, baking pies and stuff like that, and well, a lot of the cooking. I'm just a grill guy, but I said, hey, we can do that on the smoker. So we're going to smoke it up? No, we're not. We're not going to smoke it up. We're going to do it on the smoker at 350, and we're going to get this apple cream pie all prepped up and show you how we're going to do it. So let's get started. Okay, here's what we're going to be using today for our no-roll pie crust. And what we're going to do is just put all of our ingredients in the pie plate and get it all mixed up and get it all formed up. And what we're going to be using today is 1.5 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a dash of salt, and 1/2 cup of oil, and 2 tablespoons of milk. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we got all our ingredients mixed up here. Got it all in the center here. Now we're going to start getting it all patted out and get that crust formed. Okay, what you want to do is get this all flattened out best you can. Then we're going to start working it up the sides. We're going to get that crust all formed up. It's really simple to do. Just keep working at it, get it around and start pushing it up the edges. Okay, I grabbed this. This might help us out a little bit, getting that all smoothed out, get it formed up around the edges. It's really a nice, easy recipe. It's my Aunt Ruth's recipe. I remember being a kid having it, and it was really good. And we've kept that recipe over the years, and made it a lot of different times, but never out on the smoker. This is going to be a first. I'm kind of anxious to see how it's going to turn out. So we got it all formed up around the edges, fine-tuning a little bit. Nice and easy, right? Okay, here's one of the stars of the show. We have some Pink Lady apples here. You don't have to use Pink Lady, but this is what we have on hand. And we're going to start out with 4. It may take more, depending on how we cut them up and the size of the apples and whatnot. But we're going to get those peeled and all cut up. Okay, we got all of our apples sliced up here. We wound up using 3.5 apples, and those were good size apples, so that's a plenty in here. And This is a 9-inch pie pan, and we got this pan outside here to catch any overflow or anything that may spill out. And we like cinnamon on ours, so we're going to add a little bit of cinnamon. Give it a little nice little cinnamon flavor. Then we're going to mix up some ingredients and pour over the top, and that'll be a 3/4 cup white sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 1 cup of whipping cream, a pinch of salt, and a dash of vanilla. This is the cream filling. Just pour this right on top. Now guys, the original recipe was a peach cream pie, but you can use apples, make it an apple cream pie. You can use blueberries, blueberry cream pie, just whatever you want to do. It's all good. It's really good. Really easy to make. Looking good, right? Now we're gonna go outside there, get that RecTeq Deck Boss 800 all fired up, get it up to 350, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, here's our Deck Boss 800. We're gonna go ahead and get this guy powered on. And our last cook was at 435. We're gonna turn her down to 350. We're going to let that get up to temperature, and then we'll be putting that apple cream pie on. Okay, we got our pie on there, so let's get her closed up and let it bake. Okay, we're just kicked back here, and that pie is baking 350. And as you can see, there's no smoke coming from our smoker. At 350, those pellets are just going to burn. They're not going to let off a lot of smoke. So we should be good. So we'll check on that pie here in a little bit, see how she's looking. Okay, let's go ahead and open this guy up and take a peek. I did put a piece of aluminum foil on top of the pie after about a half hour into the cook. It's probably in about 50 minutes or so. It's looking pretty good. That cream filling's starting to thicken up a bit. So we're going to let it finish off here. The pie's been on here about an hour, so let's go ahead and see what it's looking like. It's smelling good, I can tell you that. Okay, starting to bubble up. Nice and thick cream filling in there. It's looking good. Looking real good. Okay, this pie's been on here about an hour and 15 minutes here. Should be about done. Let's go ahead. It's really smelling good. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, we'll get some bubbling around the edges. It's looking good. We're going to go ahead and probe a couple of those apples and see how tender they are. Seem to be probing pretty tender. So we're going to go ahead and get this inside, let it cool off, and be doing a taste test. Brought this pie inside here, sitting on the stove, cooling down. You can still see it bubbling a little bit. This is really looking good. We just have to let it cool down, and then the taste test. This is really smelling good. Guys, if you don't want to heat up the house, It's a good way to do it. Just throw it out there on the grill. You can use a gas grill, whatever you want. In this case, we used a smoker. The only thing is we didn't smoke. Baked it at 350. Okay, that pie's cooled down now. Got me a piece right here. You know what's coming, right? Taste test. Got me a little bite. Here's a look at the crust. Looking good, smelling good. We're going in. That's good. That's a good recipe, guys. Whether you use apples, peaches, blueberries, this is good. It's really good. I don't taste any smoke from that grill. It's good. Guys, give this a try. It's really easy. You're gonna love it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share. And make this. I'm gonna have a recipe here just following this video, and you can take a picture of it or whatever and use the recipe and have at it. It's all good. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.